Hello everyone. Today we'll see the care of the dentures. Yesterday we have seen the oral hygiene. So along with the oral hygiene we have to see the dentures also. So care of the denture or artificial teeth is the responsibility of the nurse to guard against offending patient by helping them to take care of their mouth. So equipment what is needed is soft bracelet, toothbrush, uh, soft bristlet, toothbrush, denture toothbrush, dentifrice, warm and cold water in glasses, gauze pieces, washcloth, plastic denture cup, gloves and basin. That is the equipment. Now how we'll do the procedure? We have to explain the sequence or procedure to the patient and explain and secure the cooperation of the patient. Remove the denture and inspect the oral cavity for the abnormalities if any. Wash hand and keep the articles near the bedside sink. Take a basin and fill half of it with water. Put on gloves to reduce the transmission of infection. Ask the patient to remove the dentures and place them in the basin. Brush the denture, use back and front motion. Clean inside and outside the brushing. Rinse denture thoroughly in running water. Then return them to the patient to keep them in a denture cup in cold water. With a soft bristlet toothbrush, the gum and toothpaste as well as the palate of the tongue also. Rinse the mouth thoroughly with the cold water. Wipe the face and make the patient comfortable. Replace used articles and record the procedure. Then during the dental care, we have to what the precautions we have to take. In cleaning denture, they should be held firmly as the water reduces friction between the teeth and the finger. They are liable to slip and fall down. Denture should be dipped in a cold water to prevent the friction. Hot water may destroy the denture. Dentures are expensive and may be difficult to replace it, broken or lost. Privacy should be maintained. Discourage the use of brushes and hard blisters because they cause grooves in dentures. If the patient is capable of self-care, arrange the articles within the easy reach of the patient. Encourage the patient to wear the denture during the day. This also improves the eating technique, speech, appearance and cannot the mouth. Contour of the mouth, not cannot. Seriously ill patient or patient who is under anesthesia or an unconscious patient, the denture is removed for a fear of disloding the denture and blocking the respiratory passage. When denture are removed from the patient's mouth, they should be stored in a labeled container to prevent the loss and breakage. So this much was the care of the denture. In the diagram we can see how they are cleaning the denture. They are holding the denture in a gloved hand and they are cleaning. So we have to clean the denture like that. If you like this video, like and share it and study. If you are interested to come and for a nursing as well as in paramedicals, come and join the TSM or TSM family. Okay, bye bye.